As a new business owner, you want to know how to get started. When you see someone else thriving in their business, the first question you ask them is, how did you get started? Where did you find your manufacturers? How did you find packaging? Do you ever get the answer you're looking for? No, people don't like to share that type of information. My name is Rashida, and I am the CEO of 3 companies. In 2013, I applied for my very first LLC, not knowing what I was doing, how to get started, or how to move forward. I've done tons of research, spent thousands of dollars on seminars, coaching calls, and no one seemed to have given me the answer I was looking for. So I did research on my own. I took risks, a lot of them, but those risks made me who I am today. In July 2016, I started my very first hair company, made it profitable and very successful, and decided to start another company. I have created an 8-week business course to guide you, coach you, show you step by step on how to get your business legalized, how to build business credit so that you'll be able to fund your business without using your money, how to brand your business, market your business using Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, connect with major influencers, and how to cut out the middleman with wholesaling and go directly to the manufacturers. When you wholesale your products, you're giving free marketing to someone else's brand. We're not doing that. We're going to connect with manufacturers who can create a product specifically tailored to our brand needs. So I want to show you just how thorough my courses are. I have provided the first week for free, just so you can get your business legalized. So go ahead, click the link below, and let's get started.